Go ahead and pause the video if you want to review the question before I begin. Don't worry if the symbols in your formulas differ from the ones I have. I remember being confused seeing lots of different symbols representing the same variable when I first started learning this subject. The important thing is to make sure you're defining your symbols and are consistent. From the question, the ordering fee is $250. The bus company demands 150,000 gallons per year, and the carrying cost of 1 unit per year is 48 cents. Plug those values in and I get the optimal order quantity equals 12,500 gallons. Notice years cancels out and gallons squared under the radical becomes gallons. Keeping track of units is the easiest way to check yourself. Now I know the optimal order quantity to order, but how often should I place orders? That's what part B is asking. The ordering frequency equals annual units demanded divided by the optimal order quantity. If the bus company needs 150,000 gallons per year and orders shipments of 12,500 gallons, place orders 12 times per year to obtain 150,000 gallons. 12 times per year is the same as once per month. The bus company orders shipments of 12,500 gallons, so the 15,000 gallon storage tank is large enough. Now that the bus company knows to order 12,500 gallons every month, at what point should the next order be placed to prevent from running out of fuel? The reorder point equals the average daily usage times the lead time. Think of the lead time as the time it takes for the fuel to arrive. The average daily usage is the total annual usage divided by the number of operating days per year. The buses are only running for 300 days out of the year. During that time, they use 150,000 gallons. If I take that average daily usage and multiply it by 10 days, that's how much fuel is consumed in 10 days. When there are 5,000 gallons left in the storage tank, the bus company should reorder more because they would otherwise run out. The bus company needs to order 12,500 gallons of fuel every month when the storage tank only has 5,000 gallons of fuel left. Thanks for— Wait, is that a— Yeah, it's a bonus! The purchase cost is the fuel cost. The ordering fee represents shipping and handling, and the carrying cost is how much the bus company pays to store the fuel. The purchase cost can be calculated by multiplying the fuel cost by the volume, just like a fuel pump does at a gas station. The carrying cost is the annual carrying cost per unit times the optimal order quantity divided by the ordering frequency. There it is as a formula. Plug in values and I got $53,250 per order. Check your units. They should all describe per order. Multiply that by the ordering frequency to get the total annual cost. I calculated $100 million. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, do me a favor and click subscribe. If you'd like to be notified when I upload subscriber challenges, turn on notifications.